Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create custom field mapping in Salesforce. This is essential when you're converting leads into accounts, contacts, or opportunities, and you want to make sure your custom data transfers correctly without losing any important information. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access Salesforce's settings. Look up at the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon from the drop-down menu that appears. Select Setup. This will take you to Salesforce's Configuration Hub, where you can manage all your system settings and customizations. Once you're in the setup area, you'll see a quick find box on the left side of your screen. This search tool helps you navigate Salesforce's extensive settings quickly. Type Object Manager into this box and then click on Object Manager when it appears in the results. The Object Manager is where you'll find all your Salesforce objects and their properties. Now you need to locate the lead object. Scroll through the list of objects until you find lead and click on it. This opens up all the configuration options specifically for leads in your Salesforce org. In the left sidebar, you'll see several options related to the lead object. Click on Fields and Relationships. This section shows you all the fields associated with leads, including both standard and custom fields you've created. Here's where the actual mapping happens. Look for a button labeled Map Lead Fields and click it. This is the feature that controls how your lead data flows into other objects when you convert a lead. You'll notice tabs at the top for account, contact, and opportunity. Switch between these tabs as needed because you'll want to map your custom lead fields to the appropriate fields in each of these objects. Each tab shows you the mapping for that specific object type. On the left column, you'll see your custom lead fields listed. For each one, there's a drop-down menu in the right column. Click these drop-downs and select the matching target field where you want that lead data to go. This ensures that when you convert a lead, the information automatically populates the correct fields in your new account, contact, or opportunity records. Once you've mapped all your custom fields across the different tabs, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it. You've successfully set up custom field mapping in Salesforce, which means your lead conversions will now preserve all your custom data exactly where you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.